Hey guys, Bondo here. We got a driveway to do here at this house. I built this foundation a couple of years ago for this house, did all the concrete work. So what they want now is they want a driveway, concrete driveway. So I got a mark here that's gonna go right to there. That's gonna square off, and then it's gonna angle that way towards this pin over here, or this mark over here. They paint it on the ground, and that's gonna go even with the house here, garage. And then I believe they want a sidewalk as well. Looks like they were talking about doing a sidewalk here. And they painted it here. It's gonna come out and curve around to the front of the house here. So that's what we're up to today. Oh yeah, here's the where they want it. Did that Stampcrete too. That still looks really nice. Holding up really good. So that's what we're up to today, guys. We're gonna dig this out. I believe it's all gravel under here, but we're gonna check it. Might have to add some gravel on the edges, but that's what we're up to. Stay tuned. The boys are unloading the machine right now. We got the excavator and the track buggy, concrete track buggy. Just gonna scoop the material into that and move it. Well, here it is, guys. We got her all formed up today. We're just finishing up here. We gotta throw some wire mesh in the porch, or in the sidewalk, I mean. We got a 3-foot rebar mat down in the driveway here. We built this corner up. He's gonna blend his yard into it. That way this pitch was nice and straight going that way. There was a big dip right here, big swale here, so we put a bunch of dirt in there, a bunch of gravel. We're able to get enough gravel from digging it out to use for the base. We didn't have to bring anything in. So we got to put some plastic up over the house the day of the pour and let her rip. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the pour. 24 yards. 3 trucks. So guys, here we are doing the driveway project and that sidewalk, curvy sidewalk. Got the house all plasticed off. Covered up some his stamped concrete over here with some plastic. We got some lovely rolled wire mesh in here. The boys hate the rolled wire mesh, so do I, because you trip over it. Stuff. We put rebar in the driveway part, guys, on a 3-foot grid. That's what we're at. What's that, Frank?
Concrete's a 7, right?
Yeah, 7. Yeah.
Better not be late today. I don't have time. You know what I mean?
Right.
The last couple of times we poured, they've been late.
Oh. I'm putting that on the video.
It's been tampered with. And it's definitely gonna itch when it dries.
Oh, that was a good one, kid. Oh my god. Did you hear that one, Tuna?
Oh yeah. Actually, they don't stink though, Ryan.
Yeah, right.
They don't. Shame.
What's that? Birthday boy?
40 years old today, boys.
40. Yeah, Frank's 40 today. More like 50. Big 5-0, Franco. The big 5-0, kid.
Somebody's got to do it.
Where's Mike?
I don't feel 50.
There's Bronco. You won't need that chair, bud.
I probably won't. We're just
Put that right back in your van. You don't need that.
bringing it anyway.
We're always sitting and waiting on concrete.
You're right.
Only guy shows up with a chair, a pink and blue chair. Did you knit that yourself? Or did you crochet that?
That's right. There you go.
You crocheted it.
Oh.
Well, we're just missing Mike. He's gonna wait till the truck shows up. He'll probably follow the truck here. Here's the mud. Mud's here. Look at Tuna. Tuna's in a zone today. today,
is in
man.
the zone.
He is
That's
freaking.
what we're calling it, the zone.
Yeah, the zone.
I said, how you feel? Oh, man, that. I said, you ever find out what's going on? No, he says, that road's just, he says,
Big
"Location I got
Rob.
one."
Big Rob's here. Circle T, baby. They fix your truck today, bud? Fix your truck today? Jesus. Got a brand new hose on there, huh? Oh, last pour, the hose was broken right here, spraying water all over. Rob loves driving the conveyor. We're gonna spread that bad boy out. Hit that sidewalk over there first. Right, Big Biscuit? Whoop, whoop. Get her done, boys. So we're gonna use the conveyor, fill up the track buggy. And then we're gonna hit the old sidewalk here. That's the game plan today. I got a little change of plan. We're gonna do this back half here where Frank is. We're gonna do that with the conveyor, guys. And then we'll do the sidewalk last with the concrete buggy. Mike's just explaining to Rob what we're doing. Because we can't get two trucks in here, so we can't dump onto the conveyor with the second front loader. So we're just gonna do the hard to reach spots right now. Okay guys, here's the driveway we poured. Just cut the lines in it with the Husqvarna soft cut. Turned out real nice. Stripped the forms. Tuna's got his truck loaded up with the forms. Just blew it off with the leaf blower. Sidewalk. Turned out nice. All picture framed, as we call it. Curvy. Right up to the stamped concrete we did a couple years ago, right there. Next year we're gonna pour down to the road. Thanks for watching, guys.